Well, this could be very interesting. A group of owners of Audi's e-tron electric cars have launched a class action lawsuit against the manufacturer, claiming that it has not taken appropriate action to reduce the risk of fires. Unfortunately, I fear this won't be the last class action we'll see, because as EVs age, the battery chemistry deteriorates, which itself can increase the risk of batteries developing internal short circuits leading to fires. The implications of this could be huge as individuals and insurers start to feel the pain of losses arising from the risks of battery fires, which may lead to similar lawsuits in the future. Whether this ever gets to court remains to be seen, and I'm sure Audi and the Volkswagen Group more broadly will do its utmost to avoid washing its dirty corporate laundry in public. But if it did, it would be a fascinating insight into how the big auto manufacturers are responding to these claims. Once I get my hands on the documents, I will put out another video, but for now, let's see what the media are saying. Welcome back to MGUY, British engineer and lawyer, now Sydney-based YouTuber. I'm closing in on 100k subscribers, which is frankly ridiculous. Thank you for your support. So if you're one of the majority of my viewers who are not subscribed to this channel, please just click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you'd like to make a contribution to the channel, you could buy me a coffee. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. As usual with media reports, they're highly simplified, but at least it's a start. Audi faces lawsuit over electric cars alleged to be ticking bombs. An Audi owner has sued the car brand on behalf of several others because he believes the Germans have made a car that is in fact a ticking time bomb. Audi has been sued in the United States by a group of owners of e-tron electric cars. The owners claim that the cars are ticking time bombs due to a defect in the battery that can burst into flames. The lawsuit comes in the wake of a series of accidents in which e-tron models caught fire, including an incident in December in Linköping, Sweden, where a family had to flee from their burning car. In the lawsuit filed in a federal court in Georgia, the owners claim that Audi does not take the problem seriously enough. The car owner's spokesman, Dwight Kelly, has been interviewed by Bloomberg Law. Unfortunately, the recalls do not address the cause of the defect, and Audi has not agreed to repair or replace all defective batteries. Kelly also criticises Audi's solution to the problem, where car owners are instructed to only charge their cars up to 80%. This means that the car's capacity will be much smaller than what was promised at the time of purchase, says the lawsuit against the car brand. Replacing all the batteries will cost Audi billions of dollars if it comes to that. However, Germans are far from the only ones who have serious problems with burning electric cars. In the United States, Jaguar has not only recalled but bought back several thousand electric cars. If anyone has a Bloomberg Law subscription and feels like sending me the article referred to above to my email, simon@mguy.tv, that would be much appreciated. Once I get access to the US court's electronic records, I'm hoping I can get a copy of the statement of claim, which itself would be fascinating reading. I'll be following this case closely, so please do hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos on this subject. Insurance and fire risk are two things that I have said in the past will put the brakes on the reckless haste to transition to EVs. But in fact, we should add a third: lawsuits. All of these elements combined may potentially cost owners and manufacturers a fortune, further eroding into not only the willingness of individuals to buy them, but also the willingness of automakers to build them. Interesting times ahead. Stay tuned.